Write the formula first. Formula is dy by dx equal to dy by dt into dt by dx, or minus 1 by t square into 2x plus cos x. Final answer minus 2x plus cos x numerator, denominator t square, t is x square plus sin x whole square. This is the answer. 1 by x form. Over, no? Problem number second. Y equal to just 1 by sin x or cosecant x. Cosecant x. Cosecant x is written as 1 by sin x. Y equal to 1 by t, t equal to sin x. Derivative of cosecant xl, you know that one. Secant, cosecant x, secant x, cot x, everything. Even then, using this particular chain rule, you can find the derivative. That's what I want to show you. 1 by t, t equal to sin x. dy by dt is minus 1 by t square. And dt by dx is cos x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Formula is dy by dx equal to dy by dt into dt by dx. Dy by minus 1 by t square, dt by dx cos x. Or it is minus cos x divided by t is sin x whole square. Sin x whole square. Or it is minus cos x divided by sin x into sin x whole square means. Why I have written like this? In order to show that the derivative is minus cosecant x cot x. This can be written as minus cos by sin is cot x, 1 by sin cosecant x. So, finally get the same answer, cosecant x cot x, which already you know the derivative of cosecant x is minus cosecant x cot x. Right? So, derivative of the type 1 by, if you want one homework will be given, see. Y equal to 1 by x to the power 5 plus 3 cos x. X to the power 5 plus 3 cos x. Using 1 by x type method, you can find the derivative using chain rule. 1 by t, t equal to this, find dy by dt and dt by dx. Next formula comes y equal to sin x, or all trigonometric functions, no doubt. Sin, cos, tan, cosecant, whatever may be. Y equal to sin x, dy by dx is cos x. Y equal to cos x, dy by dx is minus sin x. So on, there are 6 formula. 6 formula means y equal to up to cot x. dy by dx is minus cosecant square x. Let me take the problems for this type. In your formula list you are written x to the power n, root x, 1 by x and 6 trigonometric functions. How to apply this formula in chain rule? Let us see. Problems. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. Y equal to, every time I am changing the problem number because it is of different type, that's all. Now sin x, y equal to sin of x to the power 50. One example you have already seen. First example is this. Sin of x cube I have taken there. Anyway, it is 50. Y equal to outer function is sin, write t. T equal to x to the power 50. dy by dt is derivative of sin, it is cos. dt by dx, 50 x to the power 49. Now, dy by dx, dy by dt into dt by dx. Always write the formula. dy by dt is cos t. dt by dx is 50 x to the power 49. Resubstitution of t, x to the power 50 into 50 x to the power 49 is the final answer. Any function can be used. Okay. Y equal to tan of, because you have written all the functions there. Tan of secant x. Total it should be a composite function, that's all. Function of a function. Y equal to outermost function, already we know it is tan. Whatever function inside, write it as t. Where t equal to secant x. T equal to secant x. dy by dt, derivative of secant, tan is secant square. dt by dx, derivative of secant x tan x. First step is write whatever function inside as a t. So tan of outer function, tan of t. T is secant x. dy by dt secant square t, tan, derivative of tan. dt by dx, derivative of secant. Chain rule formula, dy by dt into dt by dx, or secant square t into secant x tan x. Final step is secant square t is secant x into secant x tan x. Don't write this one as secant cube. You can't club that one. Don't multiply these two also. Separately write. Secant square secant x one function, secant x into tan x another function. Don't try to multiply the functions there. Seems to be common function. You can't multiply that. Anyway, this is the final answer. Third problem. Y equal to sin, secant, everything is over. Y equal to, let me take this, secant of secant x. Careful. Secant of secant x. Y equal to outermost secant, next whatever it may be, t. T is once again secant x. dy by dt is secant t tan t. Remember, got the idea clear? See, derivative of secant is secant into tan, but here you are writing derivative of y with respect to t, so secant t tan t. dt by dx secant x tan x. Same formula, but here with respect to t, here it is with respect to x. Formula to chain rule is dy by dx equal to dy by dt, dt by dx, or it is secant t tan t into secant x tan x. Very, very careful. Y seems to be writing secant square, tan square, don't write. One is t, here it is x. Resubstitution, secant t is secant x. Tan, again secant x. Secant x, tan x. Final answer, leave as it is, this one. Go through the problem once again. Secant of secant x. Trigonometric function. Inside that another trigonometric function. Anyway, homework should be given, no? Problem number 4. Y equal to cot cos x. Fifth one, y equal to sin of tan x. Trigonometric functions, function of a function and function of a function, and you have to use the chain rule. Now I can club all the problems. Actually I have taken only trigonometry function. In the previous one only 1 by x functions. In the previous one only x to the power n. Now I can combine all these. Just let me write like, find dy by dx. In the following cases, any type of problem can be given now. First one is y equal to root, which one shall second, secant x, trigonometric function and root. Y equal to outermost function root, t equal to secant x. dy by dx is, dy by dt equal to 1 by 2 root t. 1 by 2 root t. Whereas dt by dx is secant x tan x. dy by dx equal to dy by dt into dt by dx, or 1 by 2 root t into secant x tan x. Final answer, secant x tan x divided by 2 root t is secant x. Secant x tan x divided by 2 root secant x. Problem number 2. Y equal to sin x square sin x square. Y equal to sin t. T equal to x square. dy by dt cos t. dt by dx derivative of x square 2x. dy by dx equal to dy by dt into dt by dx. Cos t into 2x or 2x cos t is x square. Why I have given this particular simple example? Now this square is given here. Problem number 3, just to see. If it is sin square x, see, that is I have given this. Here sin x square, here it is sin square x. Which is the outermost function? Actually, what is the meaning of this function? It is actually sin x the whole square. See the difference between these two problems. Sin x square is entirely different from sin x whole square, sin square x. Here you have to take the outermost function is square. So like this you have to write. There you have to take sin t. In order to make the idea clear, I have taken these two examples successively. T equal to sin x. dy by dt 2 into t to the power 2 minus 1. dt by dx derivative of sin x cos x. dy by dx equal to dy by dt into dt by dx. Or 2t into cos x. Or 2 into t is sin x into cos x. But 2 sin x cos x, you know the formula. Let me write that one, since we know the formula. Otherwise derivative is over. Sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta. Derivative of sin square x is sin 2x. Observe it carefully. Problem number 4. Y equal to sin square x square. See it carefully. Sin x square, you know the method. Sin square x also you know the method. Here sin square x square. Don't write this one as sin x whole square. Remember, sin x whole square is what? Sin square x. See it. Here it is sin x square whole square. Sin x square whole square. Sin square theta is sin theta whole square. Here there are 3 functions. See, let me write carefully one by one. Y equal to square is the outermost, t square. T equal to sin, don't write x square, because one more composite function here. Sin, let me take theta, where theta equal to x square. Tell me, got the idea clear? Actually, there are 3 functions. Outermost function, next function, innermost. Y equal to t square. T equal to sin theta. Theta equal to x square. dy by dt. dy by dt 2 into t. dt by d theta, don't write x, function t variable theta. dt by d theta cos theta. d theta by dx 2x. Write carefully all the steps. Derivative of t square, derivative of sine, derivative of x square. Now, formula, just extension of the formula, you see like this. dy by dt into, don't write dt by dx, it is dt by d theta. Last one is d theta by dx. Cancelling these two, you get dy by dx there. Answer is 2t cos theta 2x. 2 into 2, 4. T is sin theta. Theta is x square. So, sin x square into cos theta x square into x. 2 into 2 is 4. Remember, finally, whatever may be the variable, t, theta, whatever, you have to convert the answer into x only, because they are all functions of x. X, 4x sin x square cos x square. Derivative of the function of a function of a function. 3 functions. Let me take one more. Y equal to root tan root x. Careful. Again 3 functions. Y equal to outermost function here, it is square root. Outermost function is square root. So, put that root and whatever function inside that square root, write it as t. T equal to, next function comes tan. After that, whatever it may be, write theta. Theta equal to, finally, it is root x. Root x is a standard function, write as it is. Now, derivative of the function 1 by 1. dy by dt, 1 by 2 root t. dt by d theta, secant square theta, derivative of tan, secant square theta. And finally, d theta by dx, once again 1 by 2 root x. Chain rule formula is 3 functions, dy by dt, dt by d theta, d theta by dx. Or equal to dy by dt, 1 by 2 root t, dt by d theta, secant square theta, d theta by dx, 1 by 2 root x. Give the answer once again in x. 1 by, or secant square theta is there in the numerator, secant square theta, denominator 2 into 2, 4, root t and root x. Give the answer back in theta. Theta is root x. 4 into root t, tan theta root x into 1 more root x. Don't cancel root x. It is secant square of root x. Remember, this is separate root x. Can't cancel them. Anyway, answer is this one. Function of a function of a function. Actually, there are 3 functions. Sixth one. Y equal to sin of cos x cube. Sin of cos x cube. Again, composite function. Function of a function of a function. y equal to sin t, t equal to cos theta, theta equal to x cube. dy by dt cos t, dt by d theta minus sin theta. Remember, derivative of cos is minus sin. D theta by dx 3x square. dy by dx equal to dy by dt dt by d theta by dx. Chain rule. Cos t dt by d theta minus sin theta d theta by dx 3x square, or it is minus cos t cos theta x cube sin x cube into 3x square minus cos of cos x cube into sin x cube into 3x square. Y equal to tan of tan x. Y equal to sin of 1 by sin of 1 by 3x square plus 1. Ninth one, y equal to this type of problem. Let me take one more. Tan of 1 by 3 root x plus 7. Y equal to tan t. T equal to 1 by whatever may be the function theta. Theta equal to 3 root x plus 7. Just to see. Actually there are 3 functions. Tan function 1 by, and this equation is one more function. Dy by dt is secant square t. Dt by d theta is minus 1 by theta square, and d theta by dx is 3 into 1 by 2 root x plus 0. Finally, dy by dx equal to dy by dt dt by d theta by dx or secant square t minus 1 by theta square 3 by 2 root x minus secant square t 1 by theta 3 root x plus 7 divided by, or 3 is also there, 3 into secant square divided by theta square root x plus 7 square into 2 root x. Yes.